Hi, I'm Kaylee. I'm 19. I come from Pencotry High School, and I'm currently studying Art Foundation Diploma in Arts Academy. After leaving college, I'm going to go to Royal Welsh College Music and Drama and study a bachelor's in Design for Performance. So I'll be studying elements like set design, costume design, props. So basically looking at all the elements that you might take from a production in theatre, film, TV. On my course, I've really enjoyed, experimenting with things that I wanted to do, things that I might not have been able to do in A-level. I've really enjoyed this course, and I got to really sort of explore different pathways. In the beginning of the year, we got to look at all the different things like textiles, photography, fine art, 3D, and then sort of go down whichever path you wanted to. And, when you do actually choose specialism, you didn't have to sort of be confined. Even if you were in a certain category, you could explore outside of it and sort of merge everything together. I think the teachers have been amazing, because here they sort of said to you, you can do whatever you want to do, be whoever you want to be. I got loads of support from them. When I was trying to do my portfolio and applying for UCAS and things like that, they really helped, and they would take the time out just to help me. If somebody asked me, do you think I should go to college, I would definitely say yes, because being able to explore all the pathways you have, it is, I suppose, a privilege that you can do that, and especially with a college that has all of the different, or loads of different pathways you can go down. I think you should definitely do it, because it's going to help you to where you want to be in the future.